After how many years, I finally realized removing rust can actually be this easy. Tip 1. A rusty kitchen knife spreads bacteria onto your food. To fix this, sprinkle baking soda on the knife, cover it with a paper towel, then pour white vinegar to soften the rust. Lift the paper towel, wipe it clean, and rinse with water. The knife will be spotless. Tip 2. A rusty iron pan makes food burn easily. Here's a trick. First, heat the pan. Add 2 drops of dish soap, half a cup of white vinegar, and some baking soda. Let them react, then pour in cola, heat it, and gently shake the pan. After cleaning, the pan can last another 40 years. Tip 3. To restore rusty scissors, mix toothpaste, cola, baking soda, and white vinegar. Dilute with warm water, then scrub with a steel wool pad. Your scissors will be sharp and usable for another 30 years. Tip 4. A rusty pot lid can also contaminate your food. To clean it, add 100 grams of salt and 10 grams of baking soda. Cover with a paper towel and pour white vinegar over it. Let it soak for 10 minutes, then wipe with the paper towel and scrub with steel wool. Rinse with water. It'll be spotless. What should you do if stovetop stains are stubborn and hard to remove? First, sprinkle baking soda evenly over the greasy areas, then pour white vinegar on the stovetop. After the vinegar and baking soda react, cover the stovetop with paper towels. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then wipe with the paper towels. Next, sprinkle salt on top. The salt increases friction. Finally, wipe with a dry cloth and the stubborn grease will be gone. Step 2. Mix dish soap with salt, then add baking soda into a bowl. Add some water and stir well to make a cleaning solution. Use it to wipe the range hood, and it will stay clean for ages without needing replacement. Step 3. Prepare half a bowl of warm water. Squeeze in about 2 centimeters of toothpaste, add 1 spoon of laundry powder, 2 spoons of baking soda, 3 caps of vinegar, 200 milliliters of white liquor, plus some laundry detergent. Mix thoroughly, pour into a spray bottle, and spray it on the stovetop and cabinet doors. Wipe gently with a towel. The grease on cabinet doors will disappear. When guests come over, they'll even enjoy their meal more. Step 4. Pour in boiling water, scrub surface stains with salt, use baking soda to clean deeper stains, and vinegar to disinfect and sterilize. Did you know your regular laundry detergent actually has some hidden cleaning tricks? 1. Mix white vinegar, floral water, and laundry detergent. Pour it into the drain to easily remove odors. 2. Mix laundry detergent with white vinegar. Put it in a spray bottle and spray it on your stainless steel kitchen sink. Stains come off easily. 3. For toilet odors, don't worry. Mix laundry detergent, baking soda, and white vinegar. Dilute with water, pour it into the toilet tank, and the dirt and smell will completely disappear. 4. If your household mirrors are dirty, don't stress. Mix laundry detergent, toothpaste, and water, spray it on the mirror, and wipe. It'll be sparkling clean. It took me a long time to finally learn the right fridge tricks. 1. After a refrigerator has been used for a long time, ice easily builds up inside. Using a knife or scraper to remove it can damage the fridge. Here's a simple trick to get rid of the ice safely. First, unplug the refrigerator. Place a large bowl of hot water inside, close the door, and wait 10 minutes. When you open it again, most of the ice will have melted. Just tap it lightly and the ice will fall off easily. If your freezer keeps icing up, it's usually because the door seal has aged and no longer closes tightly. To fix this, press your knee against the fridge door and use a hairdryer on warm air for a few minutes. This will restore the seal and solve the problem perfectly. 2. Mix warm water with salt and white vinegar, stir well, then place it inside the refrigerator. This prevents frost from forming again. 3. If your fridge often collects water and develops bad odors, here's what to do. Insert a thin wire into the drain hole to clear away ice and debris. Next, open the back panel, remove the water tray, and clean it thoroughly with fresh water before putting it back. That will solve the issue. To save the most electricity, adjust your fridge settings like this. In winter, set between 5 to 6. In summer, set between 2 to 3. In spring and autumn, set at level 4. Remember, the higher the number, the lower the temperature. Adjusting it this way ensures the best cooling effect while also saving energy. 5. Mix toothpaste, baking soda, and white vinegar together. Then use it to wipe the refrigerator seals. This removes mold and kills bacteria. 6. Mix warm water with white vinegar and dish soap. Dip a cloth into the solution and use it to remove tough stains effectively. 7. If the water tray at the back of the fridge hasn't been cleaned for a long time, stubborn dirt will build up, causing bad odors and higher energy consumption. To clean it, fill a basin with salt, white vinegar, dish soap, and water. Soak the tray for 10 minutes. This cleans it thoroughly and removes odors. Toothpaste is not only good for brushing your teeth, but also good for other purposes. I can guarantee you won't regret it. 1. Add toothpaste to your meal. It will be strong glue when you pour it out. 2. Add white vinegar to your toothpaste. It will remove the oil stains. 3. Add detergent to your toothpaste. It will remove all the stains. 4. Add detergent to your toothpaste. It will make your mirror shine. 5. Add hot beer to your toothpaste. It won't make your shoes yellow. 6. Add white wine to your toothpaste. It will make your shoes shine. 7. Cut a small hole in your toothpaste and put it in the toilet water tank. This way, the toilet will be clean and fragrant for a year. 8. The dirtier your clothes are, I'll teach you a good way to clean the washing machine. Mix toothpaste and white vinegar evenly. Put it on a towel, put it in the washing machine. Then pour in baking soda. Do the normal washing mode for about half an hour. The dirt in the washing machine will be removed. 9. Kids always like to draw on the wall. Add toothpaste and Sprite to the bowl. Mix evenly. Pour in spray. Spray on the wall and it will be clean. 10. Put aluminum foil in the bowl. Add some toothpaste. Add a spoonful of salt. Add some white vinegar. Finally, add some warm water. Then put your black silver in it. It will slowly change color, bright and shiny like a new one. If you haven't learned all of these yet, save this video and watch it again slowly.